And the boss of one of America's major banks has told the BBC the US is enjoying a Goldilocks scenario when it comes to the economy. Bruce Van Saun says that while the economy is slowing down, he sees no sign of a recession. I spoke to him here in New York and he explained what the good news about the economy means for his bank.
It's kind of the Goldilocks scenario where the Fed brings inflation down and then we don't go into recession. I think we're in a slowdown, but I don't see us heading into a recession.
And on the consumer banking side, do you plan to wind that down somewhat?
Consumer banking is I view our business model as being a triangle. So the real foundation block is consumer banking because of the significant granular deposit base that we have, which provides stable funding for the company. So we have almost 6 million customers in the consumer bank.
And how are you leaning into technology and specifically AI when you're thinking about cutting costs and making everything more efficient?
We're trying to move much more to a digital environment, so more self-service for the customer, which they like. On those end-to-end processes. We want to use data to help personalize our offers and interactions with our customers. And that's kind of the basis, that data, clean quality data is what AI feeds off of. And so I think most banks now are pretty excited about the prospects around AI. But you're going to walk before you run on it. So, most banks have, like us, have, say, 3 important use cases. How can our contact center people have better interactions with the customer? How can our application developers and technology develop code faster and more effectively? How do we prevent fraud on our customers' debit cards and credit cards? So there's some use cases that we're have in motion. We're going to learn a lot from that, and then we've got a lot teed up for next year as we think about our budget for next year.